From the moment we stepped foot on the property, we knew exactly where the reception was. It was easy to spot. The presumed owner was very welcoming, informative and funny, as she talked about the accommodations, house rules and different recommended things to do during our stay. Once we entered, we were amazed. It was even better than what the photos said. My partner said the bath was nice, the shower was great, loved the sitting areas and the bed was one of the best sleeps I've had away from home. Overall, I would 100% stay again, if I were to visit Launceston again. We are so impressed by the location of the hotel, including free parking and the cleanliness of the room. Receptionist was lovely and very helpful. Definitely will come back next time too. Only suggestion to improve as per our view is request to make the rooms bit soundproof. We could hear all the discussions happened in common area and vice versa. Overall it's a lovely place. Rainforest shower head and separate bathtub, pick the king suite with bath. Very spacious room, beautiful atmosphere, wonderful views. Nice walk to town, down the steep hill and through the park. Very nice and courteous host. I enjoyed the huge room, the amazing bathroom and bathtub, and just relaxed and got a lot of rest. This is an historic building, well updated, offering a perfect location for a stay in Launceston. With provided parking, spacious room, comfortable bed and great shower, it would be difficult to find better accommodation in the city. Waratah is a beautiful building and room is a very nice stay in Launceston, not far from the downtown area. Nice hotel in a historical building. The bed was comfortable and the room was spacious. Amazing assistance at reception, dining options, etc. Beautiful building. We have a good time there. Thank you. Nice big room, comfy bed, very clean. The look and feel of the place. We booked executive suite with spa bath. I loved this room especially for jacuzzi bath. Long soaked in jacuzzi bath after the long tired day. Otherwise, this is the first hotel which gave us 2 bottles of drinking water and a box of milk. I'm quite surprised about this. Easy to check in without a reception because we came a bit late that we thought. Staff will tell you how to get a key from box with passcode. Also, easy checkout too. Just dropped a key in box. Additionally, location is good. It's not far from town. Just 800 meters to Woolworths and other restaurants.